Alright, so I'm going to show you how to quartile your data so that you can use it in the dark sky data experience curve. Up. So it's very common to want to quartile customer cost. So you go all the way to the bottom, you do equals, and you start typing Q, and then quartile exec should come up. You want this one. You want to select the entirety of the column that you want. Except for the header. And then comma, if you see comma 1, 2, or 3, so 25th, 50th, and 70th percentile. So we want 1 first. Then we can just copy it down and change the 1 to 2 for the second quartile, and change the 2 to 3 for the third quartile. Now, you're going to want to put these somewhere where it isn't in the main data sheet, because otherwise the program's going to freak out. I have them saved somewhere else, so I'm just going to delete them. Okay. We save, and then I'll show you the fun part, which is uploading the actual data. So we click upload file, confirm that there's no personal information in here, and there isn't for this. This is a fake data set. You get your data set, you open it, give it a minute to upload, click go to data settings. You want to keep it as a count curve for this because we're not tracking dollars. You want calendar, origination date is going to be your sale date, event date is going to be your cancellation date, and term is going to be your term months. It'll autofill the database date with the date of the last contract. So if we go to curve builder. All right, so if we want to plot just the first quartile for customer cost, we can name it. And you go down to customer cost, you see that it already fills the minimum and maximum of the data set. So you just have to change the maximum here to $27.93. And just apply filters. You have about a 60% cancel rate there. And then you want to compare that to Q4, for instance. You press the plus to make a new curve, then you name it. Now go down to customer cost. Q4 is 75% to the max, so you don't change the max, you change the minimum. And that's going to be 1 plus the max of Q3, so we need to put in 34.94. And this bar can be misleading. It is actually a quarter of your data. This is just a visual aid. And then you just apply filters. And you can see here that the green, which is the Q4, so the higher customer cost, does significantly better. Even at month 12, it's like a 5% difference than the lower customer cost. Now, let's say you wanted to look at down payment in comparison when customer cost is fixed within a range. So we'll do low down payment. Let's say we want the top 50% of customer cost. So keep the max the same and change the minimum to $31.94. Then for down payment, there's less than 50 values, so it turned into a category for this. So we're saying everything below 7.5% is low down payment. We got those categories, and you want to apply filters. And you can see that a lower down payment percentage cancels worse than any of the things just broken down by customer cost. Now, if you wanted to compare that to high down payment, customer cost, you want $31.94 again for the minimum. Then go down to down payment and select everything else. Oops, got that one. And we're gonna not do paid in full right now. Because we're not worrying about that. Then we click apply filters. You can see the orange line, the high down payment, performs the best out of any curves we did. And if we're looking at month 12, there's more than a 10% difference between low down payment and high down payment customers in terms of their cancel rate. Now let's say I want to see this in Excel. We just name it. We click export to Excel, and it shows up wherever you download files on your computer. So you open it up. As you can see, each section of table corresponds to curves based on what you name them. So this first one here is for the first quartile of customer cost. Second one is fourth quartile customer cost, then low down payment, then high down payment. And you can see right above the numbers, that is our filter list. So we can make sure we for sure set our filters the way we wanted to. So yes, that's the first quartile, that's the fourth quartile. And you can see customer cost and down payment were selected here, which is what we want for both the low down payment and the high down payment. Then the bottom row of each table, cumulative rate, that row is what makes up that corresponding curve. So if you want to see the curves again, they're on the third page of the summary sheet. Yeah. Thank you for watching.